me, Shalonze, and I'm here back with another video. Here I am in the washroom making slime. I'm making some in the washroom because this might be a messy one. Because I'm going to be trying to making, I don't really know what this slime is called, but you use play sand or kinetic sand, like kinetic sand in it. And yeah, I just wanted to make it because I've seen a lot of people make it on YouTube and stuff. So I thought I might as well make it. I'm going to be making yellow today. So basically what you will be needing is something to mix in, something to mix with, some laundry detergent, which is my slime activator, some glue, and some kinetic sand, of course, if you want to make this slime. So, yeah. Let's get started with this video. First of all, like normally, like usual, I'm going to pour in my glue. So, you can add as much as glue as you want. I'm going to add about like that much. So, yeah. Now I'm going to... So, this is basically not like the hardest recipe. But yeah, you need 3 ingredients. So, I'm just going to put in my activator and yeah. Let's see how this like turns out. Okay, I think that's enough actually. So that's enough activator for like one try. Okay, so that is basically that's it. Okay, so you don't want to touch the slime until it starts sticking to the bowl because you don't want to get your hands dirty. If you're someone that likes to get dirty or, I don't know, you just want to go in, then of course you can. But what I prefer is just mixing it in before you touch it. I'm like forgetting my words today. I am actually. Okay, so now when it's come to like this stage, I guess, yeah, this stage, it just feels so good. But it's a bit sticky, but I don't want to add like so much activator, because I don't want this to be too stringy, like too liquidy, or like too unsticky, because I also want the kinetic sand to actually like hold on to this because I don't want it to like fall everywhere. But you know, I still will add a bit more activator. I didn't realize because it started sticking to the bowl, but I didn't know it made this sticky. So yeah, this is basically the slime, but I'm actually gonna put the kinetic sand in. I just said sand, kinetic sand in it because I want, well, there is no because I'm making the slime today. So yeah. Oh my god. So I didn't add any, oh my god. I didn't add any food dye because the kinetic sand will make this yellow. So yeah. Make it yellow. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in my kinetic sand, which is yellow bellow. Okay, so literally I'm adding the kinetic sand and I just feel bad for it. But at least it'll be something good to play with. And yeah. Okay guys, so now I just added in my kinetic sand and it literally looks like this. It is bright yellow, but I would actually want to add more sand in this and I'm like literally kneading it so fast. Well, I don't know why. Is this here? No, it is. it's not. It's just kinetic sand. It's spilling. Oh. I'm just like, oh. Okay, so this is the slime I made today. And it actually, to be honest, it feels just so cool. But I am still gonna add more kinetic sand on it. I might even finish the packet, but I don't really know. Should I or should I not? Because I just feel bad for it. Like, why would I, want to put, but why did I choose this? Like, why? I guess because I've seen it also, like, reviews. People have reviewed types of slimes, and I just thought it looked really cool to me. It looked really cool. It looked really cool to me because I was like figuring out what do people put in this slime that makes it so cool, and I want to know. And then I just like figured kinetic sand. Yeah, so oh my gosh, this feels so good. I don't think I need any more kinetic sand. Oh my god, this is like literally. Why do I normally drop the activator? I don't like drop a lot of stuff, but I normally drop the activator. Okay, that's enough, but I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more. But also don't add so much of, okay, now I might need a bit more. Don't add so much of the kinetic sand because you don't want it to be too sandy, but you do want it to be sandy. But not the sandy. Well, yeah. So this is a slime. Now it's time for slime ASMRs. Or ASMR.